friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing the ever popular, the ever requested, my favorite video to film, my Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of July? Yeah, let's go with July. So yeah, I haven't done one of these in quite some time, and to be honest, part of that has been the boxes that I've been receiving have been really boring and nothing new, nothing really that exciting that's like speaking to me or inspiring me. So this month, however, I don't know if I got a new stylist, what it was, but I'm really excited about the different kinds of things that I got in my box for this month. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay, so first we'll start with what I think is the most exciting thing in this package, and that is a set of 5 necklaces from the brand Kieva, and these are so pretty. I don't know if you can see them. There's like 5 separate different necklaces, each for a different occasion, which I think is so cute. I think these are so dainty and on trend and pretty, and I've really been into more delicate necklaces lately, and so I think these are super cute and I really like these. The next really fun thing that we got in this box for this month was a pair of sandals. Now these to me are very, as much as I hate to say this, Gen Z. I feel like with the white foam bottoms, the kind of stretchy attached part at the heel with a wide front band up here, I think these are super cute. I tried them on already. They're really comfortable, super fun to just walk around and try on, and yeah, I think these are going to be super fun for this summer. I think these two as well should actually be pretty easy to clean. I was a little worried about the white on the bottom, but I think with like a sponge or just rinsing them off, I think they'll be pretty easy to keep white and clean. Okay, next for a fun thing that I got, this is a pair of shorts. These are from the brand, hold on, are there tags on these? I might have pulled them off already. This is from the brand Just Black in size 25, and these are really stretchy, comfy shorts. To be honest, I've actually already worn them, hence why they're a little beat up looking. I'm filming this a little late this month, obviously, so I'm really into these. I think they're so comfy. I think you can wear them longer, like how this is, where they're just kind of the cutoff style, or I typically would want to roll them and kind of do more of this kind of a style where it's kind of got the two-tone to it. So yeah, I think these are super cute. I really like the style. The fit of them is really comfortable. I'm not crazy about the 2 buttons up at the top, but we'll see. I think just for a comfy pair of kick around like shorts for summer, these are great. Next, we have something that I am sending back, but only I think because of the color. So this is a tank top by the brand Threads for Thought in the rock shell crop tank in pink size small. So it's just a really basic cropped pink lavender type color crop top, tank top. I think this is super cute. It's really comfy, super stretchy. I like the material of it. Again, I'm just not crazy about the color. If this was like a gray or a blue, I'd probably be way more inclined to hold on to this, but the pink, not for me. Also, as always, I will be doing a try on portion at the end of this video so you guys can see what everything looks like on my body. And the last thing that we got, again, which I'm probably not going to be holding on to, but I wanted to obviously show it to you guys, is this cute apron style yellow mustard dress. It's like a midi length with these slits up here on the sides. It's really cute. Again, the color for me is a little hard to pull off. I'm not very much of a mustard type of gal. I usually go for a little bit more of like a jewel tone type of vibe, but yeah, this is super cute. This is from Madewell actually, and this is the T&T cami waisted dress in yellow size small. So cute. I love, obviously, Madewell is a pretty well-known brand. I don't think I've ever actually received anything from Madewell before in my box, so that's really cool. But yeah, overall, I'm really excited to try this on and show you guys what it looks like, but again, the color probably just not for me. Alright friends, so that is everything I got in my July box from Stitch Fix. Now let's go ahead and jump on into the try on portion of the video. Alright friends, so that was everything I got in this month's Stitch Fix. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please just give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!